Alrighty, this is an administration building in Los Angeles. Looking at some of the welds here, they are less than desirable, not even mediocre. Partially videoing this because the welds aren't too good, but also there were some folks in the comments section who were wanting to get into welding, but they have experience in carpentry. That is very beneficial because if you look at this, the metal is going down into the wood is fitted around it. You will be more valuable as a welder if you know some carpentry skills. Doesn't mean you have to be an expert at it, but if you have the basics. As you can see, there's a lot of wood and a lot of metal going together here. Now this little weld that we're going to go down to over to the right here, it is cracked. You can see the paint has even cracked. So the welds are not good at all. So be proficient with your welds for every little thing. But also if you want to learn other things such as carpentry, a little bit about electricity, a little bit about plumbing, it will all come in handy. It'll make you a more valuable welder.